guys, welcome to my channel on the True Mechanic. This Blaze right here. Today we ain't working on no car, but I'm gonna show you how to check your starter to see if your starter is a problem, just in case you come out and hear that click click when you're trying to start. I'm gonna show you how to check a starter today. So if you're a do-it-yourself guy where you can access your starter in your car, stuff like that, well, this video is for you, where you can do it yourself. Check your starter before you go buy a starter, junk one or even a new one. Stay tuned. Here we go. We got the starter right here. This is where you normally put the power wire. And this is a solenoid connector piece right here. And I got my battery over here. You got the live terminal, you got the negative terminal. So I'm gonna just show you how to connect this real quick. I'd go ahead and rig this thing up right here, so I can show you guys how to do it. You can even use full black wire, but you just gotta know which one is the positive and know which one is the negative when you connect it on the battery, so it doesn't hurt yourself. So I'm gonna put the red one over here, then we're gonna put the black one over here. Alright guys. So yeah guys, here we got my camera propped up. So the first thing you want to do, you're going to actually need another little piece of wire to do the starting process, just like this. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to connect the live wire. This is a red terminal and this one, where the terminal always go. And then the starter gonna need a grounds. That's what I said earlier. You gotta check the grounds on the engine from the battery, so to make sure you're getting grounds. You can use a multimeter and check that also, just to make sure you're getting the right grounds, the right ampage to the battery, to the starter. So what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm gonna just grounds it right here on the starter. So the negative don't go on here or anything like that. The negative, you want to grounds it on the starter. And then you're gonna get a piece of wire. It ain't gotta be no white wire, it can be any wire. You rest it right here, and then we're gonna touch right here. But I'm gonna turn around the starter so you can see what happened over here. And this is for people who like to work on their car themselves, try to learn something new all the time. This is just to help you out a little. It can save you a little bit of money sometime. Let me zoom it up a little, so you can see what happened when I connect the wires together. So I'm gonna shift the camera a little so y'all can see. Down back a little. Alright. No, we got it right there, guys. So what I'm finna do right now, I want y'all to see what I'm doing. This small piece right here, I'm finna put this wire in here and right here. I'm finna show you what the starter do it there. Careful when you're doing this job too, guys. You don't want the sparks off, nothing. They normally got a stand that they put the starter in, and you got that. It's just showing you how it works really. So I'm just gonna ground it. Touch this right here. You can see that right away. This is a good starter right here. I know the starter was good, but this is just to show you how it works. If you hold it on, you put this right here and touch a little small one right here on the solenoid. It should. If it was a bad starter, you would have been coming out. You'd just be like, you would have just be hearing. But this one worked really good. Really good. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you test your starter to see if your starter good or if your starter bad. And as you can see, it comes out, it's doing its job. Come out really good. So this is a good starter, guys. There you have it, guys. This is from a people, as I said, who work on their car themselves, who probably have this clicking situation with their vehicle when they wake up and want to make sure it is a starter before they go buy one. This is how you check your starter after you get it out of the car, and to see if it's good. You can see the clutch and everything working and fly it out and everything. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, On The Tree Mechanic. Yeah, peace out. Have a great day. Bless.